Problem 2. Carlos went to the sports store to buy running shoes. Running shoes were on sale with prices reduced by 20% on every pair of shoes. Carlos also knew that he had to pay a 7.5% sales tax on a discounted price. He had $43. What is the original before discount price for the most expensive shoe that he can't afford? So to answer this question, let's do it step by step. Let's suppose that the original shoe cost X dollars. That's the original price of one pair of shoes. Now, we know that there's a 20% discount for every pair. So that means now, right, with a 20% discount, that's X minus 0.2% of X, which is 0.8 times X dollars. That's the price of the shoe now. But we also know that that's the amount for the shoe, right? And now for the tax. What's the tax right now? The tax is 7.5% on the discounted price, so that's 0.12, so 0.075 times 0.8x. Let's do a quick math. 75 times 8, 600. Now we have how many decimal places? We have 3 here and 1 here, so 4. So let's move it 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the same thing as 0.06x. That is the amount of tax that he must pay. Now he has $43. What is the original before discount price of the most expensive shoe he can afford? So that must mean that the 0.06x for the tax plus the 0.8x for the cost of the new shoe must be less than or equal to 43, right? Because that's the total amount of money he has to spend. So what is this simplified? That's 0.86x is less than or equal to 43. So x, therefore, is less than or equal to 4300 divided by 86. Let's simplify this by dividing by 2. That becomes 43. That becomes 2150. Now let's do some arithmetic real quick. So to get 43, we can't. Can we put a 5 here? Right, we obviously can. So that's 0, 0, and we get 0. So that is the same thing as 50. So that means that the most expensive shoe will be $50 for the original price. Therefore, your final answer will be answer choice B.